Yes, Jah Rockaz in the house. My name is Chris Range. Yeah. Whoa. Don't you hear me calling? Steer up, my baby. You got me falling. Calling. I got a lot in my mind, but with you I'm all in. Calling. Can you feel it in my love, girl, every morning? Calling, calling, yeah. Listen. Lay your head on my shoulder, shoulder. Girl, let love lead the way. Tomorrow we can get much older. Girl, this love will lead the way. Girl, every time you cross my mind, this feeling that I find, nothing else than happiness divine. Emotion I just can't deny, and you're the reason why I find it hard to heal with a smile. Can't you hear me calling? Steer it up, my baby, you got me falling. Calling, I got a lot in my mind, but with you I'm all in. Calling, can you feel it in my love, girl, every morning? Calling, calling, yeah. Don't you hear me calling? Steer it up, my baby, you got me falling. Calling, I got a lot in my mind, but with you.
All right, folks, Jah Rockaz with us this morning. By the way, what's in your closet? Coming up, we have a chat with stylist and digital content creator Kimone Shepherd. And back to Jah Rockaz.
Take it down. Lay your head on my shoulder. Oh, baby, let love lead the way. Tomorrow we can't get much older. This love I have will stay. Girl, every time you cross my mind, this feeling that I find, nothing else than happiness divine. You're the reason why, emotions that I find, and you're the reason why I heal with a smile. Don't you hear me calling? Steer it up, my baby, you got me falling. Calling, can you feel it in my love, girl, every morning? Calling, calling, baby, don't you give me calling? Steer it up, my baby, yeah. My baby, yeah, yeah. I'm calling you, my baby. I'm calling you, my ladies. I'm calling you, yeah.
That's Jah Rockaz with Calling. By the way, Drummy is back, you know. And today's his birthday. So big up yourself, Drummy. What's Drummy name? O'Brien. So shout out to Drummy, a.k.a. O'Brien, from Jah. There he is. Happy birthday, bro. More life. Our first guest this morning is known for exceptional fashion sense and creativity. Joining us is stylist and digital content creator Kimone Shepherd, who's here to show us how to elevate an outfit. Hi, Kimone. Morning.
Hi, morning. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Welcome to first time, right?
Well, I've been here, but in the capacity with JYC singing, but this is the first time, yes, as in a one-on-one interview. Yes.
Well, welcome to Smile officially.
Thank you.
Now, we're here to talk about how you can elevate and be creative with pieces in your wardrobe. You've brought your own collection, as in your own personal wardrobe.
Yes, I have.
Right, this morning. But before we get into that, this isn't even your 9 to 5. This isn't even your regular thing.
It's not.
Even being a content creator is not your normal, quote-unquote, job.
It's not.
You are a what? Radiologic technologist?
Yes.
What is that?
All right, so I'm the profession, I'm from the profession that we do CT scans, MRIs, ultrasounds, but there are different aspects to it. So we get a degree in diagnostic imaging, then we go on to practicing doing fluoroscopy, X-rays, CT scans. You can specialize in MRI, you can specialize in ultrasound, and you can do mammography as well.
Oh my goodness, do you look at people normally anymore? Like, do you start...
Well, it depends on the day.
It depends on the day. Now, how do you balance that, and where did all of this love for fashion and just things creative come from?
All right, so the balancing act is not odd for me. For my work, we have to be specific in diagnostic imaging. It requires focus and precision, right? And I love that about the job. For fashion now, it gives me the opportunity to express myself creatively.
Oh yeah, alter ego.
Right? It gives me opportunity to express myself creatively, and it brings me joy and it brings me confidence. So how I balance both of them is I bring my confidence into my job. So on a daily basis, I dress, well, we wear uniforms.
Right, yeah, I was about to ask about that, yeah.
We wear uniforms, but there are times when, like on a Saturday, when you have the opportunity to dress up a little bit, you don't wear your scrubs, so you dress up a little bit. I dress, and when I pass a mirror in the office, I'll just look at myself and say, all right, girl, you look good, go ahead and get that scan done, get that study done, and that is how I balance.
Do you ever dress up your scrubs?
Yes, probably the persons at work would say yes.
Okay.
They would say yes.
All right, cool. Now, you've got a pretty wide mix here of shoes and clothes. But before we get into it, are there any must-haves? Are there some items that men, women should have as a staple in their wardrobe?
All right, definitely. And we have some on the rack as well.
Great.
So we'll start with females. So you must have a black dress.
A black dress.
You always say a little black dress goes a long way.
Does it have to be little?
It doesn't have to be little. And I'll show you with this piece, because this one wasn't little at all, right? And you have a white, crisp shirt, button down. Must have a blazer, because a blazer can add. It's just like you with having on a blazer, you can take...
Let's take this black dress off the rack so we can see.
All right, so this black dress is not so little. It is a leather dress. It was actually a midi dress, so it's about down here in length. What I did was I tucked it in, used 2 earrings. So this is how we elevate now. So this is actually earrings that I use here to create a little oomph to the outfit, right?
A little bit of sparkle.
A little bit of sparkle, and this is another dress. So what we can do is layering. So we layer our outfits and we get a new outfit.
Right.
So for those who are considering like getting a new wardrobe, you don't have to. You can start with the pieces in your closet.
Right.
Add a bit of layering and you have a totally different outfit. This is also good for my modest girlies, you know. This is a little bit low in the back.
Right.
But if you add a second dress to it, it's a new outfit.
I feel you. It's
a new outfit.
Yeah. All right. You spoke about the crisp white shirt.
Right.
Go ahead.
All right. So let's move on to that. So male and females both need a white button-down shirt. For men, you can take it from an elegant wedding. You know, you pair it with your suit, as we have there, and you have an outfit, right? For females, it's the same, but let me show you an idea. So this is a crisp white shirt for me. Because I'm short, it can be a dress. Right, so we can.
And would you roll the sleeves up?
Yeah, man, you can roll your sleeves up and do some fancy stuff, and then I pair it with a crop jacket, and this brings the outfit to another level. Here I have layers, and then I can pair it nicely with for a statement piece, a red shoe.
Oh, for that pop of color.
For that pop of color, and you have a outfit ready to go. Right, so this is what so a white shirt goes a long way in your closet. Get a white shirt.
Yeah, let me help you there.
Blazers also, as I said before, add a little touch. So you have your blazers. Your blazers, if you're starting a basic wardrobe, they recommend that you use a black or a brown blazer.
Right.
But if you want to create a statement,
Ooh la la, what you know?
go for a blazer that says, ooh la la,
Yes, I mean-
ooh la la, here I am.
All right.
And you can pair it with white again because this is a statement, so you don't need much.
Right, yeah.
Right, so this speaks, so you don't need to over-accessorize or anything because this is a statement.
Yes, absolutely. And if you're wearing a colored shirt under this blazer, it's a solid color, right?
It's a solid color.
Don't go with plaids or stripes or, because this is kind of busy, isn't it?
That's kind of busy, but the thing about fashion is you express your creativity. So to say that you can't,
Right.
I wouldn't say that you can't mix your prints. I wouldn't say that in particular because wearing an outfit is confidence.
Yes.
So whatever you wear looks good when you are decked in confidence, and whatever you wear comes off good when you strut in confidence.
Absolutely. I really like that. And just before you go, I see these are what, scarves?
So I have on a scarf here, but these are pocket pieces. So
Okay.
speaking to the gentlemen now. So if you have in your wardrobe items and you want to accessorize, then you go for your pocket pieces, right? This is one that's dynamic. So say you are strapped for cash,
Yeah.
you go for one that doubles as
double-sided.
two in one,
Yeah.
right? So you can...
Black on one hand, and then, ooh, hey, what you know? Look how my thing turn up, just like that.
Just like that,
Hey.
the outfit is elevated to another level.
I'm styled by Kimone Shepherd. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
You're making it fun, and I hope that people will make it fun when they're styling themselves
Definitely.
and expressing their creativity.
Definitely.
Wishing you all the very best.
Thank you so
Lady
much for
from
having me.
Clarendon, big up yourself.
Thank you.
All right, so that's stylist and digital content creator Kimone Shepherd. Coming up next, we'll talk and we'll hear about the details about UNICEF's Play Day. So stay with us.